Hey, if you got neck pain, we got a really short video. It runs about 6 minutes. It's worth your while to watch it to the end. I promise you. I'm Dr. Mckay at Core Health Darien. We fix a lot of bad necks, but let's educate you about necks and neck pain and see if these exercises that we give at the end work for you.
Cervical radiculopathy is the clinical description of a pinched nerve causing pain and/or neurological symptoms from irritation to one or more of the nerve roots in the neck. These cervical nerves branch out to provide sensation and muscles function of the shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. A person experiencing a radiculopathy may experience pain, muscle weakness, numbness, or tingling in fingers or hands. Causes of cervical radiculopathy. Any condition that somehow compresses or irritates a cervical nerve can cause a radiculopathy. The most common causes include disc herniation, spinal stenosis, and degenerative disc disease. For example, C6 radiculopathy causes pain or weakness down the length of the arm and into the thumb and index finger. The C7 radiculopathy causes pain and/or weakness down the arm and into the middle finger, while a C8 radiculopathy causes pain and/or weakness down the arm and into the ring and little finger. Common signs and symptoms. Limited neck range of motion due to pain. Pain that radiates from the neck down the arm and to the hand. Possible numbness or tingling down the arm to the hand. Possible weakness of the arm and/or hand muscles. Discuss treatment options with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of action.
All right, so you've got neck pain. Why do you have neck pain? Why do you have shoulder pain, upper back pain? Well, what we have here is two figures that do things that we do quite often. Once again, my name is Dr. Mckay at Core Health Darien. What you're seeing on the left is someone who's on the phone. What you see on the right is someone who is on a computer. Now, these days we spend a lot of time. Well, look what happens is the head bends forward. 40 pounds goes to 49 pounds, 60 pounds as we're going forward. This traps the nerve and causes cervical radiculopathy. Cervical radiculopathy. Okay, this neck exercise looks benign, but it's really, really important. It's a neck stretch at the occipital level. So you retract the jaw and extend it forward. It's pretty easy to follow along. You got to be doing this if you're going to be on your phone or on your computer all day long. Take a few breaks. Make it work for you. Is it that hard? I don't think so, but it really can make a difference with how your pain level is. Okay? Now we're going to go on to a couple more exercises. Don't go anywhere just yet. Now you can do this one sitting down, or you can kneel down, or you can be on a stool. It's very simple. You want to turn the head and all the way to the left, all the way to the right. Again, how difficult is this for you to do for just a couple of seconds several times a day while you're at your desk or while you're on your phone? These things are important because you got to waken up those muscles and the nerves to increase mobility and decrease the pain and the strain on your upper back and neck muscles. So it's real simple. I think you can follow along. You get the hint. These are going to be very simple stretches. I encourage you to do them daily, several times a day, if you want to keep the neck pain away. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, again, same position. You're going to tilt the head. Real easy. Just tilt the head all the way to the left, all the way to the right. You may notice that you don't get the same mobility on one side or the other. That's pretty normal, but that's for another day. This is just neck exercises to help you get through your workday with less pain and less stress on the neck area. So don't even get out of that position. Just, take 4 or 5 minutes every hour or so. You'll probably be more productive as a result of it. So it's not like you're losing time. Just please go ahead and do it. Please keep those necks working. Watch out for the next one. There's a couple more coming. All right, this is the type of exercise I want you to do standing up, because when you tuck the arm behind the back, you're going to get a trapezius stretch, which will really open up those neck muscles. So you want to grab onto the back of your head with one arm, in this case the left side. Pull gently. You're not going to want to rip it, and you don't want to be aggressive. You don't want to be fast. You want slow and steady pulls on the left side. And feel the stretch. It's going to feel pretty good. This one's standing up. I know the other ones were sitting down. This, again, will have a profound impact on the pain in your neck. It's going to work wonders, and hopefully you'll feel a lot more comfortable. And again, as I've said repeatedly, you're going to be a lot more productive. All right, we just switched arms. That's all we did. So you place the left arm behind your neck. With the right arm, you're going to pull. And you're going to, you know what I didn't mention earlier? Give it a little bit of a tug, a little bit of a fight when you go to move it. It can make it a little bit easier for you to do so. And again, you're going to do this several times. And try to put a big smile on while you do it, like our model here is. Can't hurt to smile while you do it, and you probably get a few strange looks from your coworkers, but just go ahead and do it. It will make the difference. A big difference, again, in how you feel. Well, if you thought you were finished, guess again. This is a real easy one to do. Both arms behind your neck. Very, very simple. Tilt your head to the left. Both arms outstretched behind you. Tilted to the right. Very simple. Go ahead, give it a try several times. All right, so what are you going to do about the neck pain? If it gets worse, you're having headaches, you have trouble sleeping, which is probably one of the things you should be aware of. You're having difficulty sleeping. It needs to get fixed. We're more than happy to do it. I'm Dr. Mckay at Core Health Darien. We fix a lot of bad necks, text necks, computer geek necks, whatever you want to call it. What we have is we have a very special offer if you'd like to come in and get yourself evaluated. And what I'm going to have you do is just listen on for a little bit longer. I'm going to have one of my assistants explain to you exactly what you can get when you click the link at the end of this video.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you've learned some valuable information. I want to share with you a very special offer from Dr. Mckay. It is really simple. All you need to do is click the special offer tab. You will go to our homepage and you will see me pop up with all of the details. I'm certain you're going to like what you hear. So click the special offer tab and look for me on the homepage. You'll be glad you did. Thanks.